This home embraces a Wabi-Sabi vibe with natural textures, soft lighting, and earthy finishes. Simple choices make the home feel natural, relaxed, and easy to enjoy every day. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, minimal furnishings let textures and light stand out. Next, the dining area. The table placement flows naturally into the living space. Moving to the kitchen, the layout keeps work areas open and organized. Now the living, dining, and kitchen feel lighter, calmer, and connected. Simple choices and thoughtful details make the space easier to enjoy every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.